Hello, my name is Tim. Today we are going to make an origami jumping frog. For that, we need an A4 sheet of paper, a scissor, a rubber in case we need to rub something out, a pencil, look, and a pen. The first thing what we should do is to fold it in half. Make it you need to do it straighter. These sides should be half-half. Okay, fold it into the rectangle again and do this type of fold. And you need to do this on another side too. It's better when it's all the same. See, now what next you should do is to fold it like this. These should be as long as this last. Okay, fold it into a rectangle again and cut this top piece. Okay, now you should do the thing over again as before. We don't need this piece. And then what you should do is to do this like this too. Fold it back and watch carefully. We need to do it like this. I'll show it one more time. These should be inside, like this. And do it to another side too. Okay. We've done the main part. Now we need to do the legs. Yeah, and now the second step of the legs and the final is to do like this on all sides. Okay, we've not done yet. Now what you should do is to do it like this and then this side too. It should be straight. Okay. Now what you should do is to do it like this. Open these things and put it inside these two paper holes. See? Like this. Now what you should do is to fold it like this and fold it like this again. See? Now it's the origami is sold, but not the drawings. Now what you should do is to get the pen and draw how you want. I recommend you a dark green pen. Draw it however you like. Now, what you should do is to get this pencil and to draw the eyes. Draw eyes how you want. I like to draw cute eyes. Okay, you've done it. Now, it's test time. It's good, isn't it? Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, please.